Hey everyone, welcome back to our troubleshooting series. Today, we're diving into how to fix the Maytag washer error code FH from 2025. If your washer is flashing this code, it usually means there's a problem with the water inlet, like no water flow or low pressure. This is a common issue that you can often resolve at home with a few simple steps, saving you time and money on repairs. Let's get started. First and foremost, safety comes first. Unplug your washer from the power outlet to prevent any electrical accidents while you're working. Once that's done, head to the back of the machine and locate the water inlet hoses. These are the hoses connected to your home's water supply. Carefully check them for any kinks, twists, or blockages that might be restricting water flow. If you find any, straighten them out or remove any obstructions. Next, ensure that the water supply valves, those knobs near the hoses, are fully turned on. It's easy to overlook this, but a partially closed valve can trigger the FH error. Now, take a closer look at the inlet screens inside the hoses or on the washer itself. These screens can get clogged with sediment or debris over time. Gently remove them if possible, clean them with a soft brush or cloth under running water, and then reattach them securely. If the problem persists after these checks, try resetting your washer. Simply unplug it for about 2 minutes, then plug it back in and run a test cycle. This can clear temporary glitches in the system. Finally, if you followed these steps and the error code still appears, it might indicate a deeper issue, like a faulty water valve or sensor. In that case, it's best to call a professional technician to avoid causing more damage. There you have it, your quick guide to fixing Maytag washer error code FH. We hope this helps get your laundry routine back on track. If it did, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.